Iran thing, you kept referring to how much money how much money has Iran received in sanctions relief? What's your estimate?
I'm not aware of the latest assessment that has been made about this. What I do know is that there have been predictions prior to the commencement of the deal from critics who suggested that Iran could get hundreds of billions of dollars in sanctions relief. That's false. They were wrong. And were they just uninformed or lying? You'd have to ask them.
Right, but again, you were giving a fairly, you were giving an accounting that seemed based on something that X went to debt relief and infrastructure and so on and so forth. So how much didn't go to terrorism and how much did go to terrorism? If you have this accounting of, if you're so confident that you know that the money primarily went to debt relief and infrastructure and so on and so forth.
Again, I was actually citing the comments of the director of the CIA, so you can certainly check with the intelligence community or the Treasury Department for a specific number.
So the point is you don't know
well,
how much they've gotten in sanctions relief or really where it's gone.
I think, Ron, the point is right now that we do know how Iran has spent a lot of that money. And the amount of money that Iran has received is far less than what critics predicted. So they were either wrong or lying. You can go ask them. What we do know is that Iran was quite concerned about the state of their economy. That was the whole strategy that we put in place from the start. We recognized that the international community was fractured over to how to deal and confront Iran and their growing nuclear aspirations. So the United States demonstrated some leadership. President Obama, Secretary Clinton, and other people had to represent the United States, get the international community to agree to apply significant pressure to Iran and their economy. The strategy worked. Iran's economy struggled. The value of their currency plummeted. They went into a recession because we were able to coordinate with the rest of the international community to apply this pressure. So Iran was desperate for sanctions relief so that they could address this economic weakness in their country. And we know that they used this money to invest in infrastructure, to try to pay off their economic debts that they were saddled with, and to try to shore up the value of their plummeting currency.
So the administration is not concerned